Hey everyone, I wanted to show you some tips and tricks to not feel like you're jamming your back in the angry cat plank shape to upward facing dog transition, which was just shown. So what I like to do when I move through that is when I'm coming through to this angry cat plank, I really work my inner thighs up towards the ceiling and then sink my tailbone towards my heels. And that gives a broadening to my sacrum and a length to my lower back that when I take it through and I end up on my tippy toes, maybe I bend my elbows and drag my chest through as well to get a little more upper back bend. I feel lots of length and space instead of sometimes that kind of compression in the low back. Also, another tip is not to take your hips too low in this transition, but to sort of keep some height and some tone across the front of your abdomen, almost like your ribs and your pelvis are pulling together at the front. And you can also broaden your shoulders, your collarbones, and take them slightly back so that your chest can pull through. On the way back, tuck your chin, really lift and spread your shoulder blades, push away so you really dome out your back, and then reach your way back into downward facing dog. And I often just move my feet around so I feel that optimal place for downward